Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2011 Allen Ginter box break. Several teams were unsold, but I decided to go ahead and do it tonight anyway. Like I showed on the Platinum video, you can see that. And that's under the thing, there's nothing I could do about that. Since I don't have serial numbers, that's about the best I can do. Here's some keys. No state relic today. Josh Johnson is the N43. Let's get that out of the way and let's dive on in. Alright, Aroldis Chapman, Brett Sinkbile, Clay Buchholz, Carlos Quentin, Mike Minor, Chase Headley, a Miguel Montero mini, Jimmy Rollins, hometown hero. Jack LaLanne, I don't know if I've ever gotten one of those. Mickey Ward, Ryan Howard, Chris Perez, Johnny Cueto, Mark Reynolds, Matt Cain, and Matt Holliday, hometown hero. Jay Bruce, C.J. Wilson, Tim Lincecum, Kosuke Fukudome, Edinson Volquez, David Wright baseball highlight sketch, and Tonto portraits of Penultimacy mini. Oh, and forgot the last one. Dustin Pedroia, hometown hero. Dylan G, Kelly Johnson, Peter Bourgeois, Felix Hernandez, and Ascent of Man, Psychopter G, CC Sabathia, Uninvited Guest, Alcatraz. I don't know if I've seen that one before either. Floating Fortresses, the HMS Indefatigable. Scott Cousins, Corey Lubke, Justin Upton, Derek Lowe, Vernon Wells, Gabby Sanchez, World's Most Mysterious Figures, the Poe Toaster, and the Lave Floating Fortress. Annika Sorenstam, Jared Weaver, Brian Roberts, Marlon Bird, Josh Beckett, Miguel Tejada, Derek Barton Mini, and Leonard Euler, mathematician, Mind That Made the Future. Lucas Duda, Torrey Hunter, Jacoby Ellsbury, Kevin Euclid, Jose Tabata, Neftali Feliz code card, Step Right Up, The Flea Circus, and Justin Verlander, hometown hero. Brandon Beachy, Aubrey Huff, Matt Latos, Chris Coughlin, Scott Rowland, Brandon Beachy code card, a Roy Oswalt black border mini, and Colby Rasmus, hometown hero. Here's the first hit. Jimmy Rollins, Miguel Cabrera, Adam Dunn, Grady Sizemore, Giovanni Gallardo mini, Neil Walker, hometown hero, and the first hit is a game-used bat from Evan Longoria. Not a great card, but it's a good player at least. The Royal Wedding, Hunter Pence, Pablo Sandoval, Jorge De La Rosa, Matt Holliday, Gio Gonzalez, Step Right Up, Snake Charming, and Ryan Zimmerman, hometown hero. Yeah, Ryan, he's got a bat. Better be Ryan. Timothy Sheaf, parkour champion. Daniel Hudson, Adam Wainwright, Ubaldo Jimenez, Scent of Man, Chono Flagellates, Alex Gordon, Starlin Castro, and Ryan Howard. It's Tim Collins, Wandy Rodriguez, Joel Pinheiro, Rajai Davis, the Catarini, Ascent of Man, Carlos Gomez, Jake McGee, mini, and Billy Butler, hometown hero. That pack came right apart. Zach Britton, not sure who that is. John Lindsay, Jonathan Papelbon, Nelson Cruz, Logan Morrison, Dan Ugla, Desmond Jennings, mini, Giovanni Gallardo, hometown hero. Sue Bird, Dick Vitale, Alex Rodriguez, Ramos Ramirez, Derek Barton, Ike Davis, Casey McGee, Torrey Hunter. Guy Fieri, Daniel Boulud, Miguel Montero, Elvis Andrews, Dexter Fowler, Yunel Escobar, Omar Infante, mini, Chipper Jones, hometown hero. Heather, nope, that's not it. Heather Mitz, Ricky Romero, Albert Pujols, Edwin Jackson, another Ascent of Man, Ostracoderms, Nick Markakis, uninvited guest, the Villisca Axe Murder House, and A Mind That Made the Future of Da Vinci. Still 2 more hits, not a whole lot of packs here. Sonia Richards, Roy Oswalt, Brandon Phillips, Mark Teixeira, Troy Tulowitzki, Kevin Kuzmanov, the Dole. I was going to say it looks like a fox dog. And another Mind That Made the Future of Carl Friedrich Gauss. Boss. Right here. Lars Anderson, Desmond Jennings, John Axford, Luke Scott, Andres Torres, Ricky Nolasco, and another endangered species, snow leopard. And the USS Texas Floating Fortress. Only 6 packs, and there should be 2 hits. If not, I have some extra Ginter hits. They're not great, but I will give them out. Kevin Euclid, Jose Tabata, James Shields. Oh, that's a good one. Alex Rodriguez. And Phil Hughes. And a redemption, but it's a good redemption, for an autograph of Hope Solo. So that goes to the non-baseball sports, Paul B. Pretty decent one to pull. Not as good as Pacquiao, but Dirk Hayhurst, Jake LaMotta, Julie Shashin, Francisco Cordero, Placido Polanco, Mike Pelfrey, Maxim Shmiriv, and Brian Wilson, hometown hero. And here's the third. Tim Howard, Rafael Furcal, Derek Jeter, Roy Halladay, baseball highlight sketch, Ubaldo Jimenez, Andre Ethier. And the third hit is used, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a film negative from Jack LaLanne, Godfather of Fitness. He was famous for being on TV, so that's going to go to the non-sports. I consider fitness to be a sport, that's my opinion, and that's going to be George Bush, Carlos Pena, Brian Wilson, Carlos Gonzalez, Buster Posey, Albert Pujols highlight sketch, and getting your code, Portraits of Penultimacy, and Jim Thome, hometown hero. Shin-Soo Choo, Jonathan Broxton, Mark Burley, Adam LaRoche, Christianetta, code card, Tim Lincecum, highlight sketch, CC Sabathia mini, and Joe Mauer, hometown hero. And the last pack. Andrew Ramin, Joe Frost, Curtis Granderson, Omar Infante, Carlos Beltran, Brian Matuz, and a Flora of the World, the Mexican hat. Those are pretty tough pulls. Like 144 packs or something like that. Corey Hart. So that's almost like a bonus hit, but so we got the Jack LaLanne film cell, which is kind of cool.